We've all been there. New laptop, new dev environment, again. Or you've just learned about this incredibly powerful e-commerce platform and you're desperate to give it a try, but you don't know how to get started. As developers ourselves, we're familiar with that struggle, and that's why we've created the Aero Playbook. The Aero Playbook is a step-by-step AI-assisted installation guide that takes you from a freshly formatted laptop to a dev environment with a working Aero site populated with products to help you understand the power of our platform. Whether you confer with ChatGPT, converse with Claude or gossip with Grok, we've got you covered. Simply load our playbook into a new chat and you'll be talked through all of the installations and commands needed to get your dev environment up and running and your first Aero site installed. We'll talk you through installing Laravel Herd, MySQL and Elasticsearch through Docker if required. And once your dev environment is up and running, we'll talk you through installing Aero, including downloading a set of demonstration products. Are you a fan of furniture or a fan of fashion? We've got sets for both. No complicated Googling, no difficult commands to memorize. We'll talk you through it all. And don't worry if you're doing your development on Windows, the playbook works for you as well. So if you're ready to get started, contact us today to find out how the Aero Playbook can help you get up and running in no time and with no fuss.